Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day selling affiliate products online for beginners. Guys, I'm going to give you the framework. I'm going to show you how you can get started today and start building your new online business, okay? So I'm from workanywherenow.com, guys. That is my website. Up here you can see that, and today let us get into it. Okay, what will you need to sell affiliate products online? You will need three things. You need a niche, you're gonna need affiliate products in that niche, and you're gonna need traffic. You're gonna need eyeballs to look at your affiliate offers. So let's dive into each of these. Okay, so what is a niche? Basically, first of all, a niche is a topic that you're going to choose to build your online business with. So you don't just go into affiliate marketing with like just have no idea what you're going to do. You're going to go into it with a topic in mind. So that's what a niche is. Basically, it's a group of people that have the same interests and problems, and that's what you want to focus on, okay? So you can go into your own niche. So if you have your own idea that you want to pursue, like if you really like to do cooking, you could go into something in that field of cooking. Or if you like your pets, you can talk about your pets and how you could take care of them and promote affiliate products in that niche. So those are two kind of examples. So you could really bring your hobby into a full-blown business. Or if you can't think of one, you can use evergreen niches, meaning these are the niches that will always make you money because there's a lot of people in these niches. And there are many sub niches that you can actually narrow down even further. So what are these niches? So the first one is health. Could be like weight loss. It could be like eating healthy. It could be for cooking. It could be for exercise. It could be so many different things that now you need to really try to narrow things down. Okay, these are just very high level. The best way to start is to kind of go and narrow down your niche so that you become more authoritative in that one thing. Okay, so B is wealth. That is the niche that I'm in. I'm in the making money online niche, and that's what my site is about. I help people make money online. And the third niche that is evergreen is love. Love and relationships is always a topic that everybody is interested in because it has emotions attached to it. So it is a great niche to go into, and you will always find money in such a niche as well. Now, where do you find the affiliate products? Okay, once you decided on a niche, then you gotta look for affiliate products. First, there are affiliate networks. So these are networks where they bring together a bunch of different brands and companies and a bunch of affiliates to find each other. So I'm going to link a video of the best affiliate networks because I've already done a video on this. So I will link it in the video description below for you to check out. Okay. Now, not all affiliate programs are in affiliate networks. Okay. You need to look for also private affiliate programs. And the best way to search for these is by searching on Google using your niche topic. So typing whatever niche plus affiliate program. You put that in Google and those private affiliate programs should show up. Okay. So like let's say you want to do electric scooters. If you type electric scooters plus affiliate program on Google, you will find a bunch of great affiliate programs for that niche. Okay. So for traffic, this is the most important part of the puzzle here, right? You need visitors. You need people to promote to. So how are you going to put your efforts in front of people? Where are you going to put your affiliate products? Who are you going to recommend to? There are two ways. There's free traffic and there is paid traffic. So I'm going to go into the two types right now. So let's start with free traffic. There are 4 ways that I see it happening online. So the first one, most important one, is blog website. A blog website can bring in a lot of traffic, a lot of visitors, okay, if you do it right. And this has multiple purpose for you as well. You can earn money in different ways when you have a blog website, and you're also generating something that you own. So this is an online asset that you can own yourself, which is very important when you're doing business online. You want to be owning things, okay? The second way to drive free traffic is by YouTube. So creating a YouTube channel, just like this video right here, you can really start driving traffic to your affiliate offers. And this one is not that hard at all, and you don't have to use your face if you don't want to. So there are many different ways of making slideshows or different ways to do the videos, and you can still make it work. And actually, videos can rank faster than blog posts. So now 3 is basically your social media platforms. With social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, these are more networking. So you need to do a lot of kind of talk to people. You need to network with other people. You need to kind of answer their questions on these platforms and help them and provide value to them. And then they'll ask you, and maybe they'll check out your profile, and then that's where you can have your affiliate offers, your links to. Okay. Now I skipped Pinterest because Pinterest is a little bit different because Pinterest acts more like a blog and a YouTube where your stuff can be searchable. So being on a searchable platform is very beneficial for you, because then people are actually looking for you. People are actually looking for your content. People are actually looking for you to answer their questions. So that's very important, to be on a searchable platform. Now, for online forums, it can be very effective as well, because tons of people go on online forums to ask questions. So this is perfect for any niche, because then you can find out what are the questions that people are asking about in your niche. Okay, this is perfect online forums to get people to look at your affiliate offers that you can help answer those questions for them. If you can answer questions for them and be helpful to people, they will naturally look at your profile and check you out and see what you do. This is what people do all the time to market online. If they don't have an online asset like a blog website or a YouTube channel, then you gotta do networking online. That's how you gain trust. Now, paid traffic will be the fastest way for you to see results, because free traffic does take time to see results. Because you're not just, like for free traffic, you're not just going to do one blog post, okay? In YouTube channel, you're not going to do just one video. And you're not going to just talk to 1 or 2 people on social media or online forums and think that you're going to make thousands of dollars online like that. No, you got to consistently do this stuff day in and day out. Be consistent. Be doing that every single week. The more often you do it, the faster results you'll get. Pay traffic, you pay, you get results. So it is much faster way, but it takes a budget. You need to have a budget. Google ads, YouTube ads, solo ads are like email. So if you don't have an email list, there are plenty of people with huge email lists that you could buy, and an email. You could buy one email that goes out to their list and get either sales that way or opt-ins that way. Then you can also market to them later on. Fourth is Facebook ads or Instagram ads. Those are the same platform if you want to do those on there. There are definitely way more paid traffic routes, but I don't myself personally concentrate on paid traffic yet, so I'm not going to go and expand on this list, okay? So, but doesn't matter if you're using free traffic or paid traffic. What actually makes the sales are these 2 things. If you could create these 2 things online, you can make sales, okay? Number 1 is trust. If you can create trust, if people can believe you, okay, you're in the door, okay? But 2, if you can show them you can solve their problem, that's how you make a commission, okay? That's when you could really make a commission. If you could show them how you can solve their problem. And in order to gain trust and to show people how you can solve the problem is by building a blog website. And why that is because if you build it the right way, the blog website actually attracts its own visitors. So you're going to have an online asset for you, bringing you customers like 24/7 like this on its own. That is the power of having a blog website. And this is why it is very, very great to have if you're able to build something like this. Because not only you could explain yourself to create trust, but you could really show them and explain yourself how you can solve their problems. You don't need paid traffic if you don't want to, if you use a blog website. So you save a ton of money. So you're always going to be profitable when you use this. And the money comes to you. You don't have to go out there to network with anybody, like if you're going to use social media or the other method of going on to online forums. You don't have to go out there and network with anybody using a blog website. Okay, my blog website, workanywherenow.com, does exactly what this does. It brings its own visitors. I use no paid traffic, and the money comes in to me on its own. I don't have to go out to get the money. So where do you get started? You can get started by going to this link, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. And when you go on this link, it is going to show you the exact platform that I've used myself to not only earn a 4-digit online income, and it's a platform that has taught me so well that my website was able to generate enough income and generate enough business that got me to super affiliate status. And you can check all this proof by going on that platform, signing up for free, and then searching for Littlemama on that platform. And you will see all my income proof and all my success stories on my profile. I have documented my entire journey on there for you to look at so that you can read about all my successes on there and see how I have done with this program. Okay, guys? So check it out. I hope you join me. I actually provide you with free coaching on the platform. So if you join with me, you're actually going to get a super affiliate to help you in your journey. And if you get stuck on any of the training or the lessons, then you're going to have me to help you, as well as thousands of people in the community that can help you as well. So this is a great way to get started with affiliate marketing, and I hope you would join me in this journey and get started today. All the details of what you need to do is in these lessons, so I hope you would join me, and I'll see you on the inside, guys. Okay, so if you really liked the video today, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. So I hope you would join me on this platform so you can learn how to make money online finally and make some big money like me. Okay, I'll talk to you later on the next one. Bye.